Model, 2017 Ford Transit Connect 210 Trent 1.5 TDCI engine knocking repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 130033. MOT, the 26th of February 2026. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 100 PSS 6E. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: